Today's November 9th, and unloading the truck from yesterday. This truck's full. We got that one empty, but then we still got the auger wagon out in the field. It's full, so once I get this unloaded, we'll go get the rest of that, because the grain truck doesn't quite hold a full auger wagon, because I think the auger wagon's about 850, where this truck hauls about I think it's around 700. So we'll go take this once we get it unloaded, but show you guys our setup here real quick. So we put this gravel in here because it slopes off quite a bit. There's a good 2 foot of gravel. Once we got the hopper bomb, we needed something to be able to back in along here. And where that tractor sits is concrete pad, because we used to have an auger just go right from here straight up when we just had grain trucks. But once we got hopper bomb, we needed a swing auger, and so we built this pad, and it worked out pretty good now. So we dump in this auger here, it takes it up, dumps it in this holding bin here. I believe this is about 3,000 or 3,500 bushel holding bin here. Then it gets augered into this dryer, which I think is about 275 bushel, and it dries. Takes about an hour to dry a batch of that at the moisture we're at now. And then it gets augered into this auger, and then it gets into either this bin here, which is our main corn bin, which is about a little over 30,000 bushel bin, and then this bin here, it's got corn in it also, and that's basically our setup here. And then we rent the neighbor's grain bins. He's got 3 of them. 2 of them we put corn in, and then the other one we put beans in. And this one here and that end one there, they both are full of beans also. And I think the 2 smaller ones here are around 3,500 bushel. And then that end one, I think, the shade over 8,000 bushel. So we have quite a bit of storage here. And then the neighbors, I believe it's 13 or 14,000 bushel, and then I think 11 or 12, and then like an 8 or something like that. But we dry everything here, and then we'll truck it out of that big bin, and the neighbor's just right up the road here. Not even I think it's about a half mile, so not too bad to truck it, and plus we can store a lot more then. So but that's basically our grain bin setup and drying system. So I'll just wait to get this truck unloaded, and then we'll go get more. got the auger wagon unloaded. That's about how much is in there, so I'd say pretty close to 850 bushels. So we'll take this up to the farm and get it unloaded. Well, we picked some corn this morning, picked a truckload in auger wagon. Gonna switch over to beans now, get that done. Got the 18 acres, so we'll get that knocked out here real quick, and then switch back over to corn. But we got enough corn to get the dryer running, or stay running all day, so we'll get this corn head off, get some fuel in here, and then we'll go south of town here and get those beans knocked out. Done with beans. Didn't film too much just because it was kind of a pain down there where we cleared all those trees, had all the roots and everything. So had a couple roots get stuck in the combine, had one rock, scooped it up, and it got stuck right after the feeder house, and plugged up the machine, and that took a while to unplug that. I had to beat the rock out of there, and finally got it. Messed up a little bit of stuff, but nothing major, and we'll work on it this winter. But gonna go back to corn, get some of that done. That piece south of town that I was just in with the beans, they did about 60 bushel, which is good. So we'll get this back going and start picking some corn. So back out here picking corn. Got one truckload so far. My dad, he's coming out to run auger wagon for me. That way I don't have to keep running back to the one end and picking towards the lane where the truck stays, because my uncle, he can't get back fast enough, and I can't make a round in this stuff. It's still long rows here. That's the 3/4 buzzer going off, and the corn's doing better the further over we get, which my dad said this is a different number corn, and it's a lot better and it's drier. So that's usually don't go hand in hand, but it's always good when it does, because it's around 20% moisture now, where the other stuff was around mid-20s, and the yield going up a good 5 to 10 bushel the acre, so that's always good. But hoping to get done with the long rounds tonight, which I don't think we got too much more to go, but seems like this field just goes on forever, which is good because the corn's fantastic. But we'll it going here and see how much we can get done tonight. Got it empty, can't see in there, but we'll go pick some more.